What is Kirchhoff's current law? Kirchhoff's current law states that the algebraic sum of all the currents entering a node equals the sum of all the currents leaving that node. Now, look at this circuit. We can redraw this circuit like this. This is the branch containing R2. This is the branch containing R1 and this is the branch containing R3. So this is node A and this is node B. Now, when we look at node A, here one current is entering and three currents are leaving. So we can write here at node A, I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now look at node B. Here three currents are coming and one current is leaving. So we can write it like this at node B, I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equals to I. So this is your Kirchhoff's current law. Now, if you have a circuit like this, okay, there is only one node A. Now, this is IA, this is IB, this is IC, and this is ID. So, how you are going to analyze this circuit? Now, first you will look at node A, then you will see how many currents are entering this node A and how many currents are leaving from this node. Now, as you can see, three currents are coming, that is current IA plus current IB plus current ID. They are coming towards node A, whereas current IC is going away from node A. So this is Kirchhoff's current law. Now, here is one example problem. If there is a circuit like this is R1, I1 is flowing through R1 in this direction. This is one current source of 2 amperes. This is R2 and I2 is flowing through R2 in this direction. This is R3 and I3 is flowing in this direction, and here is another current source I4. Now, if I1 is 6 amperes, I3 is 9 amperes and I2 is unknown and I4 is also unknown. So how you are going to solve this circuit? Now look at this circuit. This is node A and this is node B. Now first we look at node A. So at node A, how many currents are coming at node A? Only one current is coming, which is I1, and two currents are leaving. One is I2 and another is this source of 2 amperes. We know that I1 is 6 amperes. So after solving this equation, we get I2 is equals to 4 amperes. Now we will look at node B. At node B, how many currents are coming at node B? Two currents are coming. One is I2 and other is I4, and one current is leaving, which is I3. Now we just calculated that I2 is 4 ampere and I4 is unknown and I3 is 9 amperes. So after solving we get I4 equals to 5 ampere. So these are your unknown currents.